And good Sunday morning. Before the sun comes up, we see the rain is coming down. This is our shot from our Think Houston First camera shot overlooking the George R. Brown, Discovery Green, the new Marriott, the Hilton there. 75 degrees. That's pretty much like it was yesterday. A little bit cooler in Galveston. We were at 80s yesterday, 81 degrees, now 79. So we're starting out about where we were and about where it should be. This morning, rainy start, especially down south along the coast, much like we saw yesterday. This afternoon, everybody is going to get shower activity, if not this morning as well. Tonight, slight break, but we have a repeat going into Monday. Let's take a look at exact track radar, see what I'm talking about here. Showers that are there right now. You see most of the heaviest stuff is right off the coast like it was yesterday. And also we have the showers that are over in the Chambers County, Liberty County area as well. On the heavy side in some cases. Here's a broader shot here. You see that circulation there? That's part of that low right off the coast there in the upper levels of the atmosphere we saw yesterday. This was located much further south. Now this is the farthest up in the atmosphere, and that circulation is what keeps that flow going right there, and it's not really going anywhere until this moves ever so slowly to the west. And as it does so, this rain will go with it, but it's going to take its time. It's not going to zip on out of here. So we'll have that rain around today and tomorrow and Monday, Tuesday as well. Here's a futurecast model showing this morning at 11 o'clock going to noon. We still have showers around, even to the southeast, to the west. You see them around there. When we see these futurecast models coming up like this, that doesn't mean there's not going to have rain in the middle as well. This is at a computer estimation of what's going on. Here's 3 o'clock. Texans game today at 3:25. We see the rain, a good place to go during the game and let the rain go on while you're inside all around the area on 5 o'clock this afternoon. A little bit less as you get done with the game, and it clears out just a little bit. And you see tomorrow morning a similar kind of trend going forward. Then tomorrow afternoon all the way into Tuesday morning, showers will continue to stick around here. How about rain amounts? Maybe 1 to 3 inches total between now and Monday. Could be a little bit more. When you see isolated pockets of heavy rainfall, those numbers could go up. But for the most part, 1 to 3 inches. Here's a shot of the clouds and satellite shot as it is right now. I've put in the wind particles so you can see upper levels of the atmosphere. This is the Gulf. That's flowing around. There's keeping the rain right there moving in that direction. But I want you to see something here. This is what it's doing in the Caribbean. We have the area of interest for the National Hurricane Center, Invest 99L right there. Notice how the shearing is going on there in the upper levels. But the expectation is this is going to have about a 40% chance in the near term, 60% in the next 5 days of developing. Also watching this area of development, perhaps going into the North Carolina coastline as we start the next week as well. So all of that going on here. And in terms of what the expectation is, here's one of our futurecast models showing that this is going into Monday, going into late Monday, into Tuesday afternoon, starting to develop. This shows some circulation there developing into something in the eastern Gulf. And then as we go into Wednesday, you notice how it moves up to the north, and 7 o'clock or so on Wednesday has it going up. Now, part of that is in agreement. The spaghetti models, which really don't get a real definition until we see close circulation, which you don't have right now. What's there, though, is an agreement that we're going to go into the Gulf here. And then goes all over the place, and that's because there's no closed circulation here, but a lot of the models want to take it to the north, and I think the trend is that that will continue to happen there. Hurricane Gaston, now hurricane strength, still expected to continue to move on out and away. I'll show you that because it is now back to hurricane strength, not expected to impact any of the United States. Highs today, 87, 88 degrees for the most part throughout the day. If you're going to the Texans game, game time's at 3:25. Tailgating time, we're going to have showers around. There's no way to get around that. 4 o'clock, 88. 78 degrees at 7 o'clock. That's rain cool, 78. Here's your 10-day forecast with rain chances staying in the forecast. Today, Monday, and Tuesday going down starting Wednesday. Notice those rain chances really about 20%, even less going into the weekend. It's going to be warming up, though, as well. Enjoy.